Now here's how we can set a daily data usage limit on Android. Let's get started. If this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so me personally, I like to approach it the same way. It doesn't matter if I use an iPhone or Android, and it is using an app which I download from the Play Store, which is called My Data Manager. So you should be able to find it. It is this looking blue icon with this like graph thing on it. And it's a pretty popular app which you can download. And the point is that using this, you have the ability to set up a data plan for both your mobile, Wi-Fi, as well as roaming. And it is a nice application, as I say, because you can set up a plan which, is going to give you like a beginning and end, and you have the ability to kind of like see how much data you have consumed so far and how much you have left. So you can manage it all inside of the plans right here. But the point is that you can also set up notifications when you are reaching the end. So when you go to the settings, you can see that the notifications can be managed right there for Wi-Fi roaming, or even specifically for the data plans which you set up, right? So if you go to your data plans, you can kind of like set it up in this way, and you can make sure that you get notified about it. And it is really a nice way to make that work. So if you ask me, this would be the best way to make that work. If you have some other thoughts or comments, questions, leave them down below in the comments box below. But for now, that's going to be about it. Just make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.